What's up, everybody? This is Chen Jie Li. You can call me Jay if you want. And I'm recording this topic about what's next for me. First of all, I want to introduce my major to you, which is data science. It's not surprising to most of you, huh? So I joined this program last year, so this is my second semester. Oh, actually first this year. Sorry. So this is my second semester. So these three pictures kind of shows what was my intuition when I first heard about this major. I thought it was more about complex theories, formulas, a bunch of complex metrics stuff. I mean, it did interest me because sometimes you solve a tough problem, you get very excited about it. That's for sure. But for the most of the time, I was thinking that it's just on paper. This has nothing to do with real life. So, as expected, since I joined the program the first semester, I got overwhelmed by those terminologies, new concepts, and I was starting thinking that is this what I'm going to stick with for the rest of my life? I mean, maybe, it's college, what else can you do? Or maybe, but we can do something fun with it. So, ta-da! I'm showing you. This is This is a thing that's really excites me. Basketball. And I started to watching basketball since I was primary school, especially NBA basketball. And it's been my dream since I was a child that to get involved in the basketball. But unfortunately, I'm not as talented as LeBron to jump as high as he wants, and I don't have this touch as Steph Curry, who can shoot wherever he wants and make it. What I can do is I can do a bunch of analysis out of those games and to get some interesting conclusions. To implement those to get to what I want, I can actually implement what I've learned in those courses, like a database system. This graph looks disgusting to me initially, but after implementing those things, the database can actually answer you those questions, which is very interesting, like whose 3-point shooting percentage is over 50%, and who is more efficient, and who are the best lineups in particular situations. Those are the questions I am very interested in, that I did not know that the database can actually help me with this. And the regression model, now I have never paid attention, focused on for the whole class a single time. But after knowing that you can actually plug my basketball thing in it, I started to look at it with excitement, actually. So I began to love it finally. And by the way, those three graphs I put in here is a project I'm working on. It's about our school basketball team. So if you want to talk about it after class, I'm very happy to talk about it with you. And although this really gets me excited, At the same time, some else starts popping up in my mind, like how did the database execute a query? With queries is a question we ask the database, and how trustworthy are they? So maybe I'm thinking maybe I'm heading back to the academic fields in the future, doing some research to answer those questions. So finally, I might become a nerd like Mr. Shelton, or a cool guy like whoever this is with some cool glasses. I don't know for now, but whatever it is, I think I'm going to love it. And that's pretty much it. And I'm looking forward to your answers.